Welcome to my YouTube channel SP Fun Puzzles. Like, share and subscribe. Today, see these pictures. Here we have ball cube and magic snake cube. So here I am going to unbox this. I have two ball cubes, two magic 24 pieces cube and 72 pieces cube. So here you can see clearly that two cubes ball, two snake cubes. Let us unbox it. First of all, I would like to unbox this 2x2 ball cube. It is a Cubello brand drift cube. This is available in Amazon around 250 rupees. So here you can unbox it. So here you can see that this ball cube is having approximately 8 colors. Out of the 8, one ball is not there. So that hole is for solving the ball. So by keeping the finger in the gap, we have to move these balls into the color. So ring already given upon the box. So what we have to do, whatever the color is there upon the ring, so that ball we have to move like this. So here red color is there, so I have to move red ball. So here that is the empty one. So here you can see that here pink is there, that we have to move to the pink ring. So in this manner we have to solve. So there is no formulas. This is the best cube for the children, and you can buy it. We can solve in this manner. So in the same manner we are having another ball cube. So it is a 2x2 ball cube, Cubello brand. So here I am going to show you again Cubello brand drift cube, 3x3 ball cube. So here we can see that this is the ball cube. In this ball cube, here we are having 12 colors. Out of 12, one color is not there. So here you can see total different colors are there. Here also we can solve in the same manner. So whatever the ring color is there, same that ball we have to move at that place. By moving like that, we have to solve. This is the best cube for the children age under the 10, from age 3 to 10. So with this cube we can engage them approximately 30 minutes. So here this cube will gain your children little bit IQ knowledge and eye and hand coordination. We can solve so step by step they will learn all these things. So these are the best cubes. So here you can see that with the finger only we have to move that ball to the ring. The ring, whatever the color is the ring, that ball we have to move. So we have to solve. So all the color balls should come into the same color ring. So we have to solve in this manner. This is the 3x3 ring cube, 3x3 ball cube. Okay. So here again two more cubes are there that I will show you now. So already I have shown you 24 pieces rainbow color cube. So here again I am showing you this rainbow color cube. So this is the 24 pieces same color. So it is a Cubello brand. Already I made a video with the rainbow color cube, that is a QIYI, that is available in Meesho for 150 rupees. This is a Cubello brand. We can get in Amazon around 250 rupees. This is the 72 pieces Cubello cube. Here we are having 72 pieces. With this also we can make different shapes, different sizes, different animals, ball, rocket, all these things we can make. So these are available in the market: 24 pieces, 36 pieces, 48 pieces, 72 pieces. So this 24 pieces I got it for 250, and this 72 pieces I got around 450 rupees. So 36, 48 pieces also available around 300 rupees. If you want to learn that, if you want to teach to your children, so these are the best puzzles you can buy. We can engage them for a long time. So these are the best educational toys. With that they can learn multiple tasks, hand and eye coordination, and we can improve their IQ levels. So these are all the things you can purchase. So thank you for watching this video. So I will bring many more puzzles like this. I will unbox them and I will say how to solve it. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.